everybody, ALE Floors again here with OrlandoVacation.com, and things are a-bloomin'. That's what we're talking about today. What is the Flower and Garden Festival, and is it worth purchasing Disney tickets for it? Don't worry, we have answers. So stick around to learn what this addition to Epcot's Festival's lineup has to offer. But before we get into that, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon somewhere around here so you can get notified of new and helpful videos for planning your next Orlando vacation. Let's get into it. Disney World's Epcot Park is renowned for hosting some of the best events across the nation. The International Flower and Garden Festival promises to provide all the magic we've come to expect from the location, drawing in thousands of guests to experience the event for themselves. As the name suggests, this springtime event provides gorgeous flowers and gardens across the park. Disney takes this theme to the extreme, placing special decorations and props throughout the location, including a helping of floral displays. It's one of the oldest Epcot festivals and clearly remains a fan favorite thanks to the uniquely stunning environment it produces. Of course, we must start with the most important aspect: the food. Wherever you go, you'll find specialty dishes and beverages provided exclusively during the festival. Many of these are offered at Epcot's outdoor kitchens, which only operate during the event. Now, once you've had your fill, you can burn it off while enjoying limited time entertainment like the Garden Rocks concert series. Located in the America Gardens Theater within the American Adventure Pavilion, this concert grants guests the opportunity to bust a move while listening to live performances. Alternatively, you can take a relaxing stroll through one of the area's many professionally curated gardens, where you'll discover living sculptures of your favorite Disney characters. Finally, you can make a pit stop at one of the festival's pop-up exhibits. Subjects often change on a revolving basis, but you can expect to receive demonstrations on topics like gardening, sustainability, flowers, and more. For a small fee, you can also play the Flower and Garden Festival scavenger hunt for a chance to win a special surprise. This event will grace the streets of Epcot from spring to early summer. This leaves quite a bit of time for you and your family to enjoy all the magic Florida's spring season has to offer. So don't hesitate to purchase your Disney tickets today before they're all gone. Like most Epcot festivals, this event will also provide a chance for guests to acquire exclusive merchandise items, including apparel, drinkware, accessories, and other collections guaranteed to look great in your closet or on a display shelf, so grab them before they disappear. Are you eager to visit the upcoming International Flower and Garden Festival? Contact us today for help planning your trip with an experienced travel agent. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or just need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.